this part of the tutorial, we will cover prospects view of the campaign. Pretending to be the prospects, perform the following actions. For performing the actions, we will visit the emails or perform the actions here. For AJ, we'll visit the campaign package link, edit the profile or the landing page along with submitting an inquiry and see the effect on reporting. Jeremy will visit the campaign and we will unsubscribe. Monica, we will visit the campaign package link and provide a referral. John Doe, since the email has bounced, we will delete this record from the campaign. Deleting a record doesn't mean that John Doe will be deleted from the system, but will be deleted from this campaign. Now let's go to AJ's email and perform these actions. Here is the email that AJ has received, the email that we had created, and this is the link to the campaign package. Visit us for more details. Let's click on it. And let's click on how can we help page to see the information. And just for edit purposes, enter the phone number. It gets formatted on its own. If you want to enter the extension, you can. And in the inquiry section, or how can we help you section, enter this information and click on the save button. Now let's go to the track campaign screen. You refresh by clicking the go button and see how the changes have taken effect. Here, if you see, the visits have gone up by 1. Since the web link opened as a default page, this has gone up by 1. The campaign package, the profile or the landing page has gone up by 1. The time has been updated when this campaign was seen, and the inquiry what was made is, you can see it under the comments provided by the audience field. And also in the contact information, the phone number and extension show up under the work phone. Unsubscribe cases. Let's take Jeremy as an unsubscribe case. Go to the email, and this is the email that was sent to him. Same email, and let's go to unsubscribe. And here Jeremy can see the options for unsubscribing as well as the type of reason we are asking. They don't have to, it's optional. They can put in the reason why they want to unsubscribe, and before they unsubscribe, we also have here if they would like to still see your offering. So if they want to click on it, their actions, whichever way they click, or their actions are tracked the same way as if an interested party would be viewing. If they click on view offer instead of unsubscribing, you can try it and see how it goes. In addition, their unsubscribe actions are also tracked by the system. They can pick the option. Jeremy can pick the option by which, for unsubscribing, whether by the type of offer, that is this campaign, or in its entirety. And also, they don't have to, but they can put in the reason why they want to unsubscribe. They click on unsubscribe, and the system unsubscribes Jeremy or treats him as opt out. Now let's see how the tracking happens here. We have an intelligent unsubscribe system. That means after we refresh it, the system, depending on the type of option, depending on the type Jeremy selected, whether by type of this offer, that is this campaign, or in its entirety, Jeremy will be excluded to receive any future campaigns. If it is for this campaign, no email will be sent by the system even if you want to for this campaign. If it's for the entire campaign, in its entirety, then Jeremy will not receive any personalized custom emails or another email campaign from you. However, to facilitate, we have a provision, number one, to provide you the intelligence that about Jeremy's actions. For example, here Jeremy has visited your campaign. Since the web link has not gone up by 1, so he visited only your unsubscribe. If he visited the other option, view offer instead of unsubscribing, then this web link would have gone up by 1, and this would have, number of visits would have gone up by another 1. That means it would have been 2 here. And if we visited profile page, provided any referrals, would have gone updated. But irrespective, the system has provided you what time Jeremy went to unsubscribe or opt out. In addition, the reason what he has provided for opting out has also been provided to you. So what the system does, although it does not allow you to send out any emails as long as Jeremy has unsubscribed, but it also has a provision here. If you had the phone numbers of Jeremy or otherwise, you can call him, but before you call, you can, since you have the intelligence about Jeremy's actions and whatever the reasons he has provided, so you can position yourself well in advance and have a proactive approach while you're talking to Jeremy. If he agrees to receive your emails, we have a provision in the system to activate him again. In case of Monica, let's go to her email and refer a friend by clicking on, again, visit us for more details next to forward to friends. Once visit us for more details, campaign package link is the same. Depends how you want to make it look like, in tying to different sentences. Here, click on spread the word, and the name of our friend is refer friend, and the email is referfriend@yahoo.com. Click on the send message, and the system is displaying the message sent to her, to refer friend. We have an intelligent referral system. Case 1. If refer friend existed already in the system, Monica would be denied this referral. But in this case, refer friend would receive the same email campaign on behalf of Monica, since refer friend did not exist in the system. Case 2. If refer friend existed and did not receive this email campaign, the system thinks that refer friend is a prospect, so system would send a campaign, this email campaign, to refer friend. Case 3. If refer friend existed in the system and received already this campaign, email campaign, the system will not repeat sending this email campaign to refer friend. Now let me show you how the actions have reflected in track campaign. Let's refresh by clicking the go button. In case of Monica, the campaign package count has gone up by 1, the web link visit has gone up by 1, and the referral has gone up by 1. Also, the time has gone updated. In addition, refer friend is now part of this track campaign, and when refer friend receives this email, what they do with it, their actions will be tracked also. In addition, refer friend is also available in the system for any other campaigns to be contacted. This is a viral effect of email marketing. To track actions of refer friend, let's go to refer friend's email. This is the email refer friend has received. Incidentally, the name is in synonym with what we are trying to achieve. Here, if you see the subject line, forwarded by Monica Withall, and the same subject line with the name appearing here. And let's perform some actions on behalf of refer friend. Let's go to how can we help. Let's make some edits in this page. In the display name, we can enter refer. We can enter some values in the state, and in the cell phone, we can enter this number, gets formatted on its own. And in the how can we help section, enter this comment or inquiry from refer friend. Click on save. And now let's go back to track campaign, refresh, and if you notice, refer friend has visited campaign package once, the web link, and the profile, and also submitted an inquiry or the comment, and also the create or the visit date, last visited, has also populated here, and his contact information shows up. This is the effect of viral marketing, as we mentioned before. And once the logs will run, the batch process, his email status will also get updated. We'll cover the rest of the reporting in the next part of this tutorial.